We know that the biggest step Samsung ever took with their smartwatches was with the Galaxy Watch 4 and the Watch 4 Classic, because they launched those watches with the new Wear OS operating system, and that was actually a collaboration between Samsung and Google. The Wear OS operating system since then to now hasn't seen that much improvements. Well, there are certainly small little improvements here and there, but nothing crazy. But before that, what you can actually expect with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 models. Actually, we know the battery capacities of the Galaxy Watch 6, which will also see a major redesign. But the battery capacities of the Galaxy Watch 6 Classics have also revealed. I mean, really? Samsung gonna make a classic variant of the Watch 6 even though they didn't make one for the Galaxy Watch 5 and the 5 Pro? So how that will actually happen? Because if that is gonna be the Watch 6 Pro, Watch 6, where the Classic will actually sit? I just don't know at this point. But definitely more news will clear that in the future. I will let you guys know. But one thing that is happening though is, according to Ice Universe, the Galaxy Watch 6 series will actually have bigger screens than the current models. The resolution is also changing, but that's mostly because of the PPI or the pixel per inch, because they will want to keep the same kind of sharpness. It is still unknown if the similar kind of improvements like the bigger screen size is going to come to the Pro version or not, but the Classic model is at least coming with this one. But what's the Watch 6 Classic gonna be like? And thanks to all leaks, we also have the first look at the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. I mean, yes, there is gonna be the physical rotating bezel, and that's why it will be called a Classic model. So every single year we can expect a Classic model alongside a Pro and a Standard model. But this one though looks really amazing. Now, according to the reports, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic might even feature a 1.47-inch display, which is quite a bit bigger than the last year's model, with a higher resolution of 470 by 470 pixels. Now, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, according to rumors, is also going to have a bigger battery, 425 mAh battery. Pretty cool. Now, looking at the renders of the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, it seems like it is not going to have those changes that the Galaxy Watch 6 is rumored to come with, like the curved screen and like Galaxy Watch Active 2 kind of look. I mean, that's not something you can't really expect with like a rotating physical bezel like that. It's kind of like an improved variant of the Galaxy Watch 5, but with a physical rotating bezel. Interesting, I love it. Now let's talk about the Wear OS 4 operating system, which is coming to the Watch 4 and Watch 5, as well as the Watch 6 series. Google has teamed up with Samsung for some of the Wear OS 4 features, including the ability for developers to create custom and more complex watch faces, and for the users to edit their favorite watch faces right from their watch. And that's a big thing, that's a big improvement. Plus, it will come with the full support of Gmail and Google Calendar. That's good. The Android 12's Material U kind of UI elements, certain things are coming to the Wear OS 4 operating system. According to XDA, Google is now allowing watch faces to report their colors to the operating system. And these colors can be used by the operating system in various places like buttons, toggles, icons, or even text. Now, it is still not perfect at this point because it is just a developer beta, but you get the point that this is something that is coming. But the stable variant of the software will actually launch with the Galaxy Watch 6 series in July, the end of July to August. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this? And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website, a link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.